In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Thief Simulator 2 on your PC. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we quickly search up this game at Steam and then we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So go to the Steam website and after that quickly search up the game, don't waste too much time on it. And as you can see, if you scroll a little bit down, this game is currently available for €8.59. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is to search up the game Thief Simulator 2. Now search for the game. After that select the games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have found a PC version like this, and this text is marked green, so it can be activated in your country, then you can select the game. The next step is to purchase this game for just €6.10 compared to the Steam price of €8.59. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account, which you can use to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!